What's up guys, it's me, ImmuniBase, and today I will be baking brownies while reading you guys' assumptions about me. Baby girl, you know what I want, let me do it to you, let me do you like Today I will be baking Betty Crockett milk chocolate brownies, and the first assumption actually is that you get stressed really easily. And I feel like that's kind of true. I do like overpressure myself sometimes because I'm so stressed about something. You get your phone taken a lot. To be honest, actually, I do not get my phone taken that much. It smells so good. This assumption says mukbang. That's not an assumption, but I do want to do more of those on my channel. This next one says that you put yourself before others, and I actually don't. I usually put others before myself because I really care about other people. Aww. This one says you're very lazy and that's the reason that you barely post on YouTube. And I know I can be lazy sometimes, but that's not really the reason that I've been like NA from YouTube. The real reason is because like I didn't want school to interfere with YouTube, but I'm trying to like make a mental calendar for myself so I can be active on both YouTube and I can be active like with my family, or you know, when school starts back I can be more active. I assume you're super smart. I don't agree with this one. I feel like some things come hard to me and some things come easy to me. But I wouldn't like call myself a genius or super smart. But like I know how to stay on top of things. And if I get like a lower grade, I'll be upset about it. But I feel like that I can, you know, try harder next time and like bring it up. I assume that you were a James Charles stan until the whole scandal happened. No. I assume that you're a very busy person. Usually we have a lot of stuff to do. But sometimes I can have like a lazy day where I just sit at home and I'm not busy at all. I'm gonna stop answering some of the assumptions right now because I just finished with the batter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pan and then I will be right back. Time to pop them in the oven. Hey guys, I wanted to apologize because I did not show the ending product of the brownies, but they actually turned out pretty good. And then I also noticed that I did not film an outro, so I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. My next video will be a little bit longer. I just wanted to get a video uploaded. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.